welcome back to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to learn another lessons. Let's start. Add, sad. The girl is sad. Bad. The boy is bad. Rag. This is rag. Tag. This is tag. Mad. Mama is mad. Dad. I love my dad. Bag. This is my bag. Lad. I am lad. Nag. Mama will nag. Mat. Rat sat on the mat. Cat. I love cat. Rat. The rat cuts the clothes. Thank you, children.